Hey guys, I wanted to just shoot a quick video to show you a tool that I use quite a bit. I don't think I've done a video on this before, but I'm driving around right now. This is a neighborhood. I just had it's mostly a rental neighborhood. I just had a house I flipped around the corner, so I just want to drive by and take a look at it real quick. And when you're in a neighborhood that works for a specific idea, so as an example, this is not a neighborhood I like to do fix and flips in. It's more a neighborhood I like to take deals down and then wholesale them or flip them to other investors or keep them as rentals, right? So let's say you find a little pocket like this, and this is not a huge pocket. It's about maybe 4 or 5 blocks this way and about 8-10 blocks that way, so maybe about 50 square blocks. But let's say I want to market it to that area, right? So if you don't know what area you're in, a very good application to use is called Land Glide. It's like $9.99 a month, and this is what it looks like, right? So you can basically, I'll zoom in a little so you can see where I'm located. So basically, the thing that's neat about it is you can actually click on the parcel ID. So if I want to see that house right over there, I just go ahead and click on this corner, and I can see it's owned by GNS Investments. And if I scroll up, I can actually see that all the details on the property, and I can even see if the property is owner occupied or non-owner occupied. In this case, it's not owner occupied. So if I wanted to market to that property, I could actually click on a link here, click on the county link, and see the details on that property. But even more important is what I can do is I can drop a pin, a location on that, and I can then have it automatically download so that I can start marketing to that area. So that when I get back to the office, I can just say, hey, this 50 block radius, start sending mailers out to everyone in this neighborhood, because I like this little pocket and I think it makes a good rental neighborhood. And usually when you drop a mailer like that, I don't know how many households it would be exactly, but usually pick up 2, 3, 4 deals out of that, right? And if you make 20, 25,000 per deal, pretty decent. So a lot of real estate is local. When you drive around, sometimes you'll have neighborhoods like this where you have bad neighborhoods and then a quarter of a mile away from it you have these like little pockets that are not bad, and a lot of people avoid these bad neighborhood areas completely. But if you can identify these little pockets just like this one, it's very quiet, there's a lot of rentals around here, all the houses are occupied, no vacancies, and you pinpoint and you target and you can really market to those people, right? So that's just a good tip for you guys. Once again, the name for that app is Land Glide, and it's $9.99 a month, and it's a pretty useful tool. All right, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.